Need to perform quick calculations on your Windows PC? The Windows Calculator app is more than just a basic calculator. It includes scientific calculations, programming tools, date calculations, unit conversions, and much more. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to use Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu and search for Calculator, then open the app. You can also pin it to your taskbar or Start menu if you use it frequently. Click the menu button in the top left corner to view the available modes. You'll find Standard, Scientific, Graphing, Programmer, Date Calculation, and several unit conversion tools. Select Standard mode for everyday math. Enter numbers using your keyboard or by clicking the on-screen buttons, then perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentages, and other common calculations. Switch to Scientific mode for advanced math, Graphing mode to visualize equations, or Programmer mode for binary, hexadecimal, and other number systems. You can also use the built-in converters for currency, length, weight, temperature, volume, and many other units. Open the History panel to review previous calculations. You can also use the memory functions to save numbers for later and quickly recall them whenever you need. If you use Calculator often, learn a few keyboard shortcuts to work faster. You can also resize the app window, switch modes quickly, and keep the calculator open while working in other applications. And that's how to use Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're solving simple math problems, performing scientific calculations, converting units, or graphing equations, Windows Calculator provides a fast and convenient tool for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.